Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. And if you're back for another visit, thank you for coming back. I am here to show a flip through of a beautiful, fun kit from a Be Happy Stationery store. Be Happy Stationery has a Ko-fi shop, and that information will be in the link tree in the description of my video. This is going to be used for a design team project, and the kit is the Spring Showers collection. So let's take a look. I printed the first pages on thin, just regular copy paper. Aren't those gorgeous? This is a little different than the last kit. The last kit you can find in my list of videos. It was bright, bright, bright. This is more muted, kind of rainy day because it's spring showers. So I printed an image on the front, and I left the black back blank on this one. I do not know what I'm going to do with this kit yet, but I will figure out something because it's awesome. And here's another one. I love the teapots, and the last collection I did also had teapots. They were bright and cheerful. These ones are more warm and welcoming. I love the depth of the raindrops. Again, that one's on just a white backside. And then look at this cute little child. Sweet, with the ribbon in her hair. Looks like a little tree house. Love those flowers and the bird. These ones I printed full size, borderless printing. I did not print, I think I did print all the pages. So this one's still on copy paper. This is Hammermill, I believe, bright white, premium copy paper. Again, very whimsical, beautiful. We've got mushrooms, flowers, little gnomes, cuteness overload. Here's another decorative sheet, birds, flowers. I spy another little gnome, a little duck. I may have missed a few images since I did print it borderless. And here's another. Again, those cute little pink gnomes, flowers. Just in love. Can you imagine those little gnomes living in that fun little house? Love it. Okay, this one's printed on just typing or copy paper again. And again, it's Be Happy Stationery. We've got pockets I can easily fold and tabs with some of the same images. And then this was cool, super cool. Raindrops. It's fun. It's fun little words that work with this kit. I don't know if I'm going to tear this up and use it, or if I'm going to cut them out, or I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but I absolutely love them. And here's one of the background sheets. Now I started printing on cardstock. Here's that very cool raindrops sheet. And this is just on white cardstock, probably either from Walmart or Recollections. I usually try to get bright white in cardstock. I love this. It's almost looks like it's going to have a bit of lightning going on with those sheets of rain. I did 2 of those because I'll probably layer with these. Okay, and now I have the darker, more gloomy rain. A little bit more foreboding. Maybe it's going to be a really bad storm. And again, I did 2 of those. And then on cardstock, and these ones, because they're tags, I did print one of those backgrounds on the back side. Those looks like cracks, but they could also be lightning crackling through the sky. I don't think that's what they're supposed to be, but kind of get that. Okay, and these ones, you can see that they printed off the page because I did do this borderless. But we have some of those same images from the background sheets, or from the decorative sheets. Look at that guy. I don't think he was on one of the sheets. Super cute. I'm not sure if we saw him before. I need to look a lot closer. And here on this one, there's a little fairy girl. There's a fox. Okay, so those are printed double-sided so I can cut them out and not have to mount them. And this one I also printed. This was my one I printed borderless, so it cut off part of this envelope and part of this tag. So I went ahead and then cut it not borderless, so you can see the images then are a little bit bigger when I do borderless because it fills up the sheet. And you can see they're just a little bit bigger on the borderless ones. But look at those fun images. I'll go to the borderless so we can see them. The house, the birds, the mushrooms, the flowers, the little rain girl. Super cute, super cute. So those I'll do. And then these I printed off on sticker paper because these are the type of things I like to easily just be able to peel and stick. We've got the fun spring shower sayings, flowers, stamps. If you've watched my videos before, or if you know me, you know I love stamps. And then these are just more like a label maybe. Beautiful. And then there was a page of ephemera, and I didn't feel like fussy cutting, so I took them into my Cricut. So they're probably not the same size as if I would have printed them off on an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper. I just didn't feel like fussy cutting some of this, and I didn't take out all the spots. I might do those with an X-Acto, or I might just leave them. How cool is that? Again, now see, this one only has one little gnome. I wonder where the other one went. Oh, there's a little tiny frog on there too. And there's that little duck. I'm sure this is probably on the other one too. The frog is probably there. I just didn't see him. Oh, here's another gnome. See, there's so much to see on these. You can't even see it all. Okay, so I had that one. And these are just cardstock that I fussy cut on the Cricut. Here's this cute little umbrella with two ducks holding an umbrella. How cute is that? I think that should have went bigger, but if I made it bigger, it didn't want to fit on my one page for a cut on the Cricut. And then we've got the little duck hanging out. Super cute. And then we have a round, more like a label with the two little ducks. Oh, that one got a little, I'll have to trim that off. So these are things I can layer with. And then the last one was the same little teapot, just bigger. So I'm going to love these. I don't know what I'm going to do with this kit. I'm going to have some fun. And I'm so privileged and honored to be a part of the Be Happy stamping team. When I submit a request or an application to be on a design team, I never fully expect that I will get it. So I'm very excited when I do, and I hope I can do them justice. I think I'm going to absolutely love anything that goes in this shop, because if you watched the last video, and if you've watched other videos for other design teams, I love whimsy, I love cutesy, I love so many things about these kits. So come back in a couple days. I will be, follow my channel if you haven't already, subscribe, because I will be posting, I don't think I'll do this all in one video, but maybe I will. But I will be posting at least one more video showing you what I make. And as I go along, you can watch and see what comes of this beautiful kit. And again, this is a Be Happy Stationery design team project featuring the Spring Showers collection. Click on my link tree in the description. It'll take you to my link tree and my design team affiliated link will be in the link tree, and you will get a discount. It'll be automatically discounted in the link in my link tree. So come back again soon. Please like this video, subscribe if you'd want to, and if you feel like it, share this video with a few friends. Hope to see you again. Thanks for visiting, and happy crafting.